So I have the Google Pixel tablet, and I'll be showing you how to rename your dock. So let's say you have multiple docks, and you have one in the kitchen, or maybe one in the studio, another one in the living room, and you want to rename them. Then all you have to do is go to the Google Home app. So just go to the Home app, tap on that, and then go to Devices. And then if you have your tablet on the dock, that's the only way you can rename it. So just put the tablet on the dock, and with the tablet on the dock, it should get recognized here quickly. So it's taking some time, so let's try and restart the app. So inside the Google Home app, you should see Devices, and there you go, there's a Studio Dock. So tap on it, and then tap on Settings. You might have not seen the settings icon. So the settings icon is at the top right corner there. Tap on it, and then you should see under Studio Dock settings, you have the name. So that's Studio Dock. Let's call it, you can change the name to, let me call mine Studio Dock 1. Okay. But you can delete that name and put whatever name you want. Okay. And then press the check mark, and then tap on Save in the top right corner. And now, as you can see, we have a new name for the Studio Dock. And that's basically how to rename the dock of your Pixel tablet. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.